Hey, what's going on, everybody? In this video, I'm going to share with you a game that I created a little over a year ago called the Money Game. And this is going to be, if you're interested in finance and developing yourself into a millionaire, this is absolutely a must have book. And the reason is because when we all woke up, we started doing this law of attraction thing, which completely misaligned us or took us out of alignment with the laws of money. And what I mean is we all have this kind of preconceived notion of what a wealthy person is, and it's based on what we've seen on TV or on the internet. It's completely wrong. It's backwards. And wealth isn't built because the person building it is focused on abundance. Okay, picture Scrooge. Wealth is built on scarcity. So trying to align yourself with abundance and using abundance affirmations is just throwing you out of line. Scarcity is what builds wealth. Think about it. Why are diamonds valuable? Because they're scarce. Why is that guy or girl attractive to you? It's because they throw out the vibe that you can't have them. That's what's going on. That's how this stuff works. And what this little money book is, it's a game. It's a game that starts you with $1, five envelopes, and a ledger. And what you're going to do is dedicate 10 to 15 minutes every day to filling out this ledger and using only money from the money game. Okay, so starting only with that dollar, you're going to be finding ways to create and build passive income sources. And what that is you receiving money for doing nothing or doing very little. So it can start it, and it forces you to start simple, like um, setting up a produce stand, growing a little garden, and then setting up a stand and putting a maybe a cigar box out and selling produce at a curbside stand where you're not even there. People just walk up, grab the tomatoes, put $3 in the box, and they're done. Or you can mow lawns or negotiate deals with neighbors to mow lawns and then hire a neighbor kid to mow the lawn for you and keep your percentage. But basically, what happens is you are going to be taught how to align yourself with creating flows of money from nothing. And that's why you've heard stories about millionaires becoming millionaires only after a period of homelessness. It's because they had to experience the homelessness to build the skills necessary to be able to manage and handle becoming a millionaire. So anyway, this book is available on Amazon.com. I've got a link to it in the description. It's less than $10, and it's only 15 or 17 pages long, but it's a game. So you're going to learn how to play the game of money and incorporate these little fun sort of strategies into your everyday life. And it's fun stuff. Like if you're at work and somebody asks you to get them a cup of coffee, tell them start learn how to negotiate a deal and tell them that you'll do it for $1 and then explain to them that it's for the money book, and they might counteroffer with a quarter and then you settle for 75 cents or 50 cents or whatever. It doesn't matter. What matters is that you're now focused 100% of your energy on generating money and making your actions um, profitable. And now every action you take will be to generate money, which puts the focus on the money and puts you in a scarcity place where there are not a lot of people like you because the majority is out there spending their money on purchasing a car and financing it and work having worked 7 years of their life to pay for it. Wealthy people don't do that. They pay cash for a car. They if they're going to buy a house, they buy a house that's a duplex and they rent out the other half so that the other person is paying for their living. And that's the way that wealthy people think. That's the stuff that you're going to learn in this book. And I guarantee that it is going to make a huge difference in your life. So when you get done with this video, click on the link in the description and check out the Little Money book. Thanks.